Listen, I made these 5 mistakes when I first started out, and it cost me thousands. And guess what? I don't want you to repeat the same thing. So I'm going to tell you what those are in this video. So get your pen and pad and write these down. It's important. You know, the first mistake that I made when I became a notary, I waited. After I did the application, after I did the background check, I just sat there and waited for my commission to come back.
Rookie mistake, bruh. Rookie mistake.
These days, I teach the people in my community, don't wait. Go on and set up your website, set up your Google business profile, set up your Facebook and Instagram pages so that when you are commissioned, when it comes back, you're ready to get to work. Why spend another month? You see, sometimes, at least here, and I've heard that in a lot of other states, it takes anywhere about 2 months for you to become a notary, for you to get your commission back. During that 2 months, you could be setting up your business. So go on and start doing that. That's super important. Do not delay. The second thing that I wish I would have known is that you don't have to wait until you have quote unquote notary experience, like notarizing general notary documents like powers of attorney and affidavits and these one pages that people bring you. You don't have to wait to become a notary signing agent. As soon as you have your notary commission, you can become a signing agent. See, I thought that, okay, I need some experience being a general notary before I can become a signing agent. No. Immediately when you become a notary, when you get that commission, you can apply to become a notary signing agent. You see, there are two different things. You're going to need training either way. So you may as well go on and get to the bag, the real freaking money. And the real freaking money is actually over there, right? There's good money in general notary. Don't get it twisted. There's good money in general notary. However, let's get you all the money that you can get. So as soon as your commission comes in, apply to become a notary signing agent. The third thing that I wish I would have known is how to price my general notary services. You see, a lot of people believe that all you can charge is whatever the state says. In Texas, it's $10. Let me tell you something. That's when you stamp that paper. That's it. That's it. Every time you stamp the paper, that's when you charge what the state tells you to charge. Every other time, though, you can actually charge an admin fee, processing fee, travel fees. You can charge. That's why we created a notary calculator, because I wanted to help y'all out. I want to make this easy, much easier than it is right now. We've created a notary calculator so you don't have to kind of guess. Now, what I would still do, I would search on Google. I go to, why I even sit in my car, get on my Apple Macs and type in notary near me. Look what comes up, go to their website, see if they have pricing, and check out what their pricing is. And then I'd write it down. And I do that for at least 10 businesses that are in my vicinity. I either do that or Apple Maps, or I just Google notary near me, saying, to get the results. That's doing what we call market research. Then I have that notary calculator and I compare the prices. You see, in the notary calculator, it'll let you charge for your print fees. It'll let you charge for your witness. So you get a whole printout that you can actually give to your clients. You can just text it to them like a receipt when you're done, right? And it helps you to stay abreast of what you need to do and what your costs and expenses are. All right. Number 4, baby, ain't nobody tell me nothing. I use a freaking paper journal. Wow. Until just probably 2 years ago. It's freaking 2025. I use a paper journal. So that means when I go to my notary appointments, I'm having to write, because when you notarize something in your journal for every single document that you put your stamp on, you gotta write down the name of that document, the type of notarization, the date, and the place, blah, 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 blah. Your baby. Listen, that took forever. Some of the names on those documents are super long, and you get this much little bitty space. I hate that I did not initially get a freaking journal. A digital journal. Now I have Notary Gadget. That was a game changer for me. Notary Gadget. I'm going to put that link down below, because Notary Gadget is amazing. You just click something and the whole name appears. I mean, man, it cut my time down tremendously. And I want that to do the same for you. All right. And last but not least, what I wish I would have known when I started was that my price is my price. Hello? My price is my price. Instead of running all all around town and doing stuff for a little bit of nothing, and then looking around and finding out people are charging 3 times more than I am, your price is your price. You hear me? There are people who will pay your price, and I understand we all need money. We all need money, but I want you to value yourself, value your services, and go with the market. Don't overcharge, but that gum show don't undercharge. Do not undercharge, because you mess up the whole market for everybody when you going to a hospital for $20. Crazy. When you go to a hospital, you got to pay for parking. These people don't know where they are 9 times out of 9. They'll tell you where the room is, but the hospital is so big, you gonna go in there and be lost for a good 15 minutes or more. Then you get there and you got to be patient because you have to wait. Charge what you charge, baby. Your price is your price. $20 is not enough. Again, you can charge to stamp that paper what the state says, but your admin fee, which your administration is putting the information in your journal, the processing fee, the processing is I gotta wait for these people and be patient for them to be able to get in a position that's comfortable for them to write, for them to get out their ID, all of that stuff. That's processing time. Late fee. If I tell you to be here, you're not here, I start charging a late fee on my notarization. Your price is your price. You hear me? All right. I hope you like this video. Share it with everybody you know and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. These are just some little tidbits that come up. But you know what? In this business is always something new. Always. Forever changing. You need to be in a community with other people who are doing the exact same thing that you are doing and making money doing. And somebody that's going to support you, encouraging, and look after you in this business where you have their phone number. People in my community have my phone number. The link is below. There's a 7-day trial. Just try it out. Come on in and see if you like it. That's it. That's it. All right. I love you to life and I want you to win. I expect you to win. All right. All right. You take care and God bless.